Okay, so here's the thing. Lana here refused to get in the box. I told her it was for science, a historic quantum experiment, but she didn't care for being both alive and dead at the same time. So instead of traumatizing my cat or messing with radioactive atoms, we'll do the animation route. Today, we're diving into one of the weirdest corners of physics, Schrödinger's cat and the Double Slit Experiment. Quantum particles, spooky probabilities, and a cat that wants nothing to do with it. Let's break down what it all means and how observing can change reality itself.
I've always wondered what it would be like to shrink down to the size of an atom. Well, today we're going to do just that, metaphorically, of course. We're diving into the weird and wonderful world of quantum physics, where cats can be both alive and dead, particles can be in two places at once, and the act of looking at something can change its very nature. Buckle up, because things are about to get quantum. Okay, so let's start with superposition. Imagine you have a box, and inside that box is a cat, a vial of poison, and a device that may or may not release the poison based on the decay of a radioactive atom. Now here's the cool part. Until we open the box and look inside, the atom is in a superposition of decayed and not decayed states. This means our poor kitty is simultaneously alive and dead. But wait, there's more. This isn't just about torturing hypothetical cats. Superposition is a fundamental principle of quantum mechanics. It means that, at the quantum level, particles can exist in multiple states at once. It's like if you could be both sitting on your couch and running a marathon at the same time. Weird, right? Now let's think about entanglement. Imagine two particles that are so intimately linked that whatever happens to one instantly affects the other, no matter how far apart they are. Einstein called this spooky action at a distance, and he wasn't wrong. It's like having two coins that always land on opposite sides, even if one is on Earth and the other is on Mars. But how does this work? Well, that's the thing. We're not entirely sure, but we do know it happens, and it happens faster than the speed of light. This phenomenon is so bizarre that even Einstein had trouble wrapping his head around it. But it's real, and scientists are even using it to develop super secure communication systems. All right, time for the grand finale, the Double Slit Experiment. Picture this, we have a wall with two slits in it, and we're firing particles at it. If particles behaved like tiny bullets, we'd expect to see two bands on the screen behind the wall, right? But that's not what happens. Instead, we see an interference pattern, as if the particles were waves passing through both slits at once. Now, here's where it gets really weird. If we try to observe which slit each particle goes through, the interference pattern disappears. It's like the particles know they're being watched and decide to act differently. It's not just that we don't know which slit the particle went through. Until we measure it, it actually goes through both. So there you have it. A whirlwind tour of some of the strangest phenomena in quantum physics. From cats that are simultaneously alive and dead, to particles that can be in two places at once, to the mere act of observation changing reality. It's mind-bending stuff, but it's also the foundation of much of our modern technology. Next time you use your smartphone or GPS, remember, you're holding a piece of this quantum weirdness right in your hand.
Oh no, I am stuck as an animation. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you next time on the History Tales. Now I need to find Lana.
As history unravels tale by tale. Subscribe now and paw through the past with us.